Hello and welcome back to our series. We previously had studied about function, and now I want to describe something about local variable and global variable. First of all, we will know about local variable. Local means you may know the person of local person or some person. You may find local product or imported from other country. Local means of a specific place. Here in same as in programming language also, local variables means the variables of a specific class or function. Now I want to say that I want to declare int a. I will pass value a is equal to 10. Now I want to access this value from next function void get this is function. I want to print it. Printf %d comma a. Let's declare here because it will not run up to when we will not declare here. Sorry, get. Let's save it, build it. As we may not, we have already get a one error because it is not passing from here. We have already declared. Let's declare here again int a is equal to 10. Let's print here. Sorry, I want to make different value 50. Let's print here to printf %d a. Let's build it. It will not give error here. Yes, it is not giving error. Let's run it and say find the answer. As we have get 10 and 50. Why we have get different value? But we have declared our own variable a. Both are integer. Then how will you get? Because it is only for this main function. Main is one function. It will be run in this function, and it will not pass from this function until we will not pass from some function as a argument. We can pass it as an argument, but we cannot pass directly without argument. And this is called local variable. Now let's say global variable. Global variable declare here. This they are globally declared because all the function can access there. 12v. But we can declare here and we can initialize the value anywhere in the any function, then other function can access it. Let's remove it and see if it works or not. Let's build it, run it. Yes, we have get it. We have not get any error here. So this is global variable. We can declare globally and we can access that data from any other function. Now I want to talk about passing argument. We have already passed the argument here and written also. Argument are something that can be accessed by the function from while running from one function to a different function. I have called this function here. If I will make another function here, void input is the function I want to make it. So I want to make, I don't want to initialize value, I will dynamically create the value from input. Let's say that let's scanf, simply we will scanf here %d comma and then a ampersand a. Let's call this here. Let's see if it works or not. I will explain it while we run it. I will enter 6 as I have get the answer. What will happen here? While scanning here, processor will know these variables all. When it move to void main, then first of all it will run the function get. Here is the get. We should not use such get C as we can put something because they are inbuilt function and it will conflict. Here they have given warning here, confliction. As I have already done, it is giving answer also, it is right. Then after, when it calls here, then the program will move from this memory location to this memory location. Means here will be interruption in the program. Interruption means if you are working in one department, means you are working some function. If there is urgent in your home, then you have to run your home. So like this, it is urgent for it and it will call this function. Then after again it have another function input and it also is urgent for it, means it is declared here, means it is urgent. So it will call it again, and here we have scanned the value and it will initialize for this variable. We should only declare in globally, and we can define and initialize value anywhere. We can assign the value anywhere in any function, and it will print this value and it will move to get ch. Then after, this is the how the function works. This will takes more memory rather than we use less in one line, but it is efficient in working with difficult program. We have learned about global and local variable also. Local variable that are declared inside a function, and global variable are declared outside the function that will be accessed by all functions. We will know about recursion in function in next video, and then after we will move to storage class of the C and operator, and we will do some example in this series of C. Then we will move to C++ and object. This is procedural oriented, and we will move to object oriented programming, that is the best practice, and C does not support object oriented programming, and C++ is object oriented programming language. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.